Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Dota 2 failed to initialize Vulkan. It is pretty simple and easy to do, but for this tutorial I don't have Dota 2. I will show on the similar game. So first of all, what you'll need to do is, for this one I will choose Counter-Strike. So what you'll need to do is right click it, go to the properties, and here at launch options write minus console and minus novid. And after that, what you'll want to do is go to installed files, click on browse, and as you can see, you will need to find your Dota 2 client. So you will need to go to the, for example, let's see. You will need to go to the Dota 2 beta game, to the bin and bin64, and you will find your Dota 2 client. So you will find an application with logo. You will need to just right click it, click properties, go to compatibility, and check these two to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. So check this and check this one. Just run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, click apply and click OK, and your problem should be fixed. So thank you guys for watching, and that's pretty much it. See ya.